Hello, welcome to my channel. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis for today. First, let's recap what happened yesterday. My plan was, if we don't take the low, we need to reclaim 36.8k. If we do take the low, we need to reclaim daily open, which was around here, and we didn't do that. So no long for me, I was waiting basically all day. It didn't happen. So what's next? Basically, the price was pushed down. It got flushed. The big guys got flushed. We got a massive move to the downside. But nothing to worry about for now. We bounced from this POC, basically the most important level on the chart. The one, if we lose this, then it basically bull market cancelled. And we need to trade different market conditions then. For now we are trading basically for the upside, and we keep doing that. So I didn't try to catch this, of course, because you need to plan this. It's never V-shape. Of course this time it is, because it's like natural bull market dip. It's similar like this always, but you could capitalize on this. I'll show you. So basically how you do this: after the bounce you take the high, basically like this. You take the highs, you take the first high, it's okay, and you could take the low, but like, let's see, we have order block, so obviously order block gonna be support. At least, for now, to see if locally we are bullish or bearish, we have to hold these boundaries. And once they break, then you know that we can expect a move. So the market closed yesterday around here, the US stock market. We tested the downside and the resistance was gone. It went straight through. So I knew that price is probably gonna get a larger move to the upside. Now, what you learn in Trading 101, some trading basics books, you would be trading this backtest probably. This is not for me, but I could see this as being a good trade. Like, let's see, you trade a backtest, you put it below the low, you aim for 2 risk reward, and you got it easily. For me, what's more important and more interesting is if we backtest the POC of this mini range, which is around here, 35,400, and we did backtest this in Asia session. This would be a long for me. Maybe not the first try, but the second one. We make a wick here, so it looks like it's gonna bounce, and it's not much risk, because we already established that we expect a move upwards, because we broke this resistance. And it's not like we are trying to get back inside. It's worth a risk. But I was sleeping, so I didn't long this. Okay, so what happened next? We bounce from daily open and we fly. Okay, so let's make a plan for today. First thing I see is that we can make some kind of channel, connect the lows, connect the highs. The midline seems respected, and we aim for around 36.8k. That's gonna be main resistance for us right here. Another thing, after this large move to the downside, like, look at the daily, it's quite massive. So we can start looking at a golden pocket retracement in case this is actually turning around, because it could be turning around after this move. And we put golden pocket. It's exactly on 36.8k. So basically that's my main level, the main resistance we need to break. And weekly open as well, if we break this, we get a large move to the upside. It's same story as from Monday. Everyone is bearish, everyone is selling because weekly candle is red. So we're gonna turn it green. and we fly up, and we probably take the highs again towards 39k, maybe even much higher. After this move down, it could go much higher, but we keep it for later. Trade it level by level. No need to rush anything. We need patience. So in case we go down, of course we don't fly up straight up. We could, but we need a long. We need a planned long. We cannot just enter here when price is going up. So in uptrending days, best level to long is VWAP. We are actually hitting resistance on weekly VWAP. So this could get a retracement, but I am really interested in this yellow one, which is session VWAP, daily VWAP, or whatever you call it. It's a really good point of interest for me, because in trending days VWAP is a king indicator. There's nothing better. If we don't hold this, we go to daily open. This is kind of, we will try to bounce, but if we fail to bounce from the VWAP, we could get a flush, then some panic. It's like people think, oh, it's over, but then we come back up and then we fly. So don't get shaken out on this. If we start losing daily open, this is gonna be support, at least for now. Yeah. Well, it's close to 35k, but maybe we go lower. Yeah, I wouldn't count on this. Let's check what we see on ATAS. So on the drop, price bounced from 35 from below 35k up to 35,500, basic 3550, basically below previous week open. There was nobody who longed this. There was just massive limit order stacked and price just bounced. Nobody selling, nobody longing, it just bounced from hitting the long stops, which are sells, and then when you sell, they buy. The market maker bought, basically. Sorry for my dog. Yeah, we are at the VWAP now here, weekly one, and we are at PDPOC, which is previous day point of control. This is an interesting place, but I don't really think we're gonna stop this move. It can easily just fly up, clear everything here, clear these shorts, shorts, clear all the shorts. Here we see an interesting point where people longed, 35,330. Yeah, so if we come back down, I'm expecting like a swing failure from here and then back up. 1 hour order block hitting here. So this is kind of a resistance point. We could reject here. We have weekly VWAP and we have order block. We have a previous day point of control. This is first resistance now. And second one, of course, it's 36,800. We will see how it plays out. I'm not gonna short anything here. It's not worth it even for scalps. Like, I don't care. I'm gonna look for longs because the market is probably gonna turn bullish from today. And if it doesn't, I don't miss anything. There are more trades tomorrow. Now I feel like longs have more probability, so I will wait for my VWAP trade. If we don't get VWAP, there is another possibility to enter a trade. I will show you. Basically, let's say we reach this point and we do sideways consolidation. We swing failure the low and then we go up. This is a long. Let's say we reach this and we do kind of bull flag. I don't know, like bull flag, it's hard to enter, but if we see like 3 wicks down, third one is usually the last one, And if you see a good reaction, and if it's like 36.7 to this level, like back testing this VWAP, then it might be a long here, like this. But it needs to take the low like at least 3 times, and it needs to bounce. Like if it's bearish, it's not gonna do a bull flag, it's gonna do like this and then just sweep everything. It's gonna be opposite. If it's going down but it's struggling to go down, then you know it's gonna just take out all these shorts, because where they put the stop loss here, 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 and they're gonna just sweep them up. Yeah, so wait for some consolidation, take the low and then move up, or just wait for VWAP. Easiest trade for today. But I don't think we're gonna get many opportunities today. We're gonna get a lot of movement, but it's hard to plan anything. Like if we drop like this, if we flush the market, it's very easy because there is nobody trading this. They are flushed. They don't know what to do. They don't know if they need to short or they need to long. The resistance is gonna hold and bounce like that, and support is gonna bounce as well. Let's see if we took the low here. 236.5, 235.5. So basically it took the low by $1. Someone had a stop loss below this low and they stopped out. Yeah, so wait for VWAP. Let's recap. Wait for VWAP. Biggest level is 36,800. If we start breaking this level, or like weekly open, we're gonna get a massive squeeze. So we need to catch some long there. But it's not worth it. Like this is the resistance. You're not gonna long this. And how do you know it's gonna break? You don't know. So we need to wait for retrace. Maybe long VWAP. And be careful if we come back for daily open. It usually does come back for daily open. Maybe not today, but it's easy like a magnet. Yes. So see you tomorrow. Have fun.